Uh, Hello students, let us continue with the chapter area related to the circle standard 10 CBSE. Now let us find the area of shaded region. Okay, I have taken a question for you. Let us see the question. In this question it is given that ABCD is a quadrant. You can check that ABCD is a quadrant. What is a quadrant? 1/4 of a circle is known as the quadrant, whose central angle is 90 degree. And what should be its area? 1 by 4 pi r square, 1/4 of the circle. Okay. So ABCD is a quadrant is given. ABCD is a quadrant and its radius is given 28 centimeter. A semicircle is drawn with AC as a diameter and this portion is shaded. You have to find the area of this shaded portion. Okay, how to find the area of the shaded portion? In generally, if you find whole area of the figure and from that if you can subtract the area of the unshaded region, you will get the area of the shaded region. So area of the unshaded region easily you can find by using the formula of quadrant. You can find, but if you want to find the area of this semicircle, you have to find the length of AC. AC is the diameter, so its half will be the radius, and AC can be obtained by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let us find. At first, let us find the length of AC. So you can write in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, AC is equal to square root AB square plus BC square, and that will give you 28 square plus 28 square. Now the student, I am giving you tips over here. Don't try to find 28 square and 28 square and add them and then find the value of this. But you can use this one, 2 into 28 square, because a plus a is 2a. Now 28 square means it is 28 root 2. This is your length of AC. Okay. Now you need for the semicircle, radius equal to 28 root 2 by 2, that is 14 root 2 centimeter. This is the area of the semicircle. This is the radius of the semicircle. Therefore, area is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square, half of the circle, 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into, this is 14 root 2, twice you can write 14 root 2 into 14 root 2 centimeter square. That you can cancel it 11, you can cancel it 2. So it is 22 into 14 into root 2 is 2. That is giving you 44 into 14. Let us find 44, write down 56 and 56, 616 centimeter square. So you got the area of the semicircle. Now find the area of the whole figure. So area of the shaded region will be area of the whole figure minus area of the quadrant. So first you find the area of the quadrant. Equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Pi into, directly I am using the value, not writing the formula, directly using the values. 22 by 7 and radius is 28 into 28 centimeter square. So it is 7, cancel it 7. So 56, again it is 616. It is 616 centimeter square. Now area of the triangle is required to find the whole area. Area of the triangle ABC, go to 1 by 2 into base is 28 and height is also 28 square, so it is 14. So 28 into 14, 392 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region. Finally we have to find the area of the shaded region. Is equal to whole, for the whole area of triangle ABC. Directly you can use 392 centimeter square, or you can write is this way, plus area of the semicircle 616 centimeter square minus area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant is also 616 centimeter square. So you can write 392 plus 616 minus 616, cancel it, equal to 392 centimeter square. This is your answer.